Hello friends, welcome to our English Tube. In this video, we are going to learn how to write 10 lines on the very prominent leader Subhash Chandra Bose. You can also write this content under the topic How to write 10-line essay on Subhash Chandra Bose. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is Subhash Chandra Bose was a great leader of the freedom struggle. Second line, he is popularly known as Netaji of India. Third line is he was born on January 23, 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. Fourth line is he was behind the bars for several times but did not give up his intense love for his motherland. Fifth line is he formed the Azad Hind Fauj on 5th July 1943. Sixth line is he has given a huge contribution in Indian independence movement. Seventh line is he gave the famous slogan, "Give me blood and I'll give you freedom." Eighth line is, it is believed that he died on 18th August 1945 in a plane crash. Ninth line is, the mystery of his death is still unsolved. The last line is, the great sacrifice of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose for our country will be remembered forever.